squads.
Squaggles!
Squaggles!
Squaggles, because they're goggles and they're squad goggles, so they're squaggles.
It's like you took the word.
Coming back at you. We're talking Smith. We're talking Smith Squad. We're talking Squad XL. We're talking Squad non-XL. And my name is Tyler. I'm here from SportRx, a friendly optician, prescription goggle. Tyler, they call me, and I'm here with my buddy.
I've been given the name TJ, and I'm also a licensed optician here, along with Tyler.
That's right.
And we're just really excited to tell you about these goggles today.
Really excited because we think we can help you out. So we have two really good quality goggles, cool design, very popular, especially since they've come out. Been kind of at the top of the list if you're looking for a cylindrical design as opposed to the spherical design, which you're probably already aware of the differences there. If not, check out some of our other videos. We have lots of good info on that. But this is the way goggles kind of started, this cylindrical design, and when spherical shapes came out, they sort of went to the wayside, but they've come back. There's a resurgence, and Smith's kind of prime example of that is the Squad. Big difference between them that's notable is the size, obviously, but there are a couple other things as well. For one, with the Squad XL, which came out last season, the original Squad's a little older than that. The Squad XL has a triple layer foam, so you're going to get the layer for comfort, you're going to get the layer for ventilation, you're going to get the layer for the antimicrobial comfort part that touches your face. The original Squad is a 2-layer foam, so you're only going to get that one for the ventilation. It's still comfortable, it's fine, and then the antimicrobial, which is nice. But both of these do have the silicone bead on the inside, so helmet compatible, ultra helmet compatible, very adjustable, obviously. A little different from the other Smith goggles in that they don't have the clasps, at least some of the Smith goggles. But they both come with 2 lenses. You get a lens good for bright light, bright conditions, a lens good for low light conditions, and they are they're going to be ChromaPop lenses, and I want my buddy TJ to tell you why that matters to you.
ChromaPop. It's the lens of the future. If
Present.
And the future, probably. But you are right. And a little bit in the past. Hey, ChromaPop is sort of a light manipulating technology. Smith went out and they measured the light in various conditions, elevations, and they found out with mixing certain tints together and allowing certain colors to pass through the lens by blocking other ones out, they can really maximize contrast for those conditions. So it really helps you read every contour and subtle definition in the snow. And like he said previously, they give you one for bright light, one for low light. So the heavy mirror is really gonna help you out, like you see right here, on those really bright bluebird days, because you're getting about 80% UV reflection coming off the snow, and then you end up looking sunburned, like that. But what do you do if it gets cloudy?
Swap that lens out.
Yeah, there's a low light lens. And then that one's not mirrored, and that's gonna work really well on those super overcast days. It even works at nighttime. So
that's right. Some of them, not all of them. There are one note about the ChromaPop, the ChromaPop collection. You have the ChromaPop Sun, you have the ChromaPop Everyday, and you have the ChromaPop Storm. The Storm, there's a rose flash, and then there's a yellow. So the rose flash probably would be okay at night. The best one would be yellow. Night can be tough just because when you're on the mountain in the night, not every mountain is the same. Some are really well lit, so you're gonna be good, but you're gonna still probably want that flat light enhancement. The ChromaPop's gonna be there for you. But let's try these on. You're a little more of a kind of medium to large fit. I'm probably more of a small to medium fit.
Yeah, if you're wondering about fit, obviously you can kind of tell Tyler and I have similar body types. I'm about 6'1", and I would probably describe my head as being medium to large, approximately. So this is the Squad XL. As you can see right here, fits nice and snug. It's not moving around. can tighten up the strap if necessary, but the real benefit here is the peripheral clarity. I can see anything that's going on over here. So if there's trouble, just, you react quickly.
And it feels good on the nose, at least for me. And I want to take this moment also to call out what this little guy here on the table is. This is a prescription insert. Obviously, I need them. I wear glasses. I actually really need them. We have a few different designs. We have a good fit for every goggle that we carry. Definitely all of the Smiths. And they work exceptionally well. If you have any questions about that, let us know. We friggin' love talking about these inserts.
How's it pop in there?
Dude, just like that. Boom, boom, boom.
That's so easy.
I mean, right? And with some of the lenses, if it matters to you, the more the mirrored the lens, the less you're going to notice the insert behind it. It's a great setup. Works well for us, works well for everyone. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Hopefully it helped you. Like and subscribe. So we'd love to see more of you. Comment down below if you have any questions. You can call us if you have any more specific optical questions. We love to talk to you. Just reach out to us, and thanks for being here, man.
We did it.